Yeah, it is a historic day for Mormugaon port today. We have handed over berth number 10 and 11 to Delta ports, Mormugaon Limited, and the cranes have arrived today. Two Liber cranes of 120 ton capacity. The model, I think, the make is from the Liber Germany. Yeah, it is a model of LHM 425. Then it has the capability of handling bulk as well as the container cargo. So we are soon going to commence the container operations. This was the long pending requirement of the trade that port should have the cranes. Yes, we had, because of the financial difficulty, port could not fund these cranes. That's how we have taken a route of PPP. So Delta measures Delta have already taken action, and the cranes have arrived. So soon the other development activities of this also will start. Maybe by end of this month the cranes will be installed and ready for operations. So soon we will be able to handle this cargo through these cranes.
So now with Delta stepping in, we expect a lot of different cargo in the port, because majorly we see a lot of coal being handled. So any other cargo in mind, like you said about containers, any other cargo that you have in mind that could be got in by Delta in the future?
Yes, definitely. We are very optimistic of multiple different types of cargoes. Delta is also very keen, being they have the stevedoring experience and the port experience, port handling experience, and they are also marketing very much, and port is supporting from all administrative angles. Administrative support is given by the port. We are expecting to handle steel coils, wood chips, the all other type of bulk cargo, everything possible under this from these trains. Of course, the economics will work. We can't discuss or disclose in the public. Yes, we have already discussed with the liners. There are few liners who are very keen to start operations from this port. The trade also is very keen to send the containers through this port. So containers is definitely going to commence, maybe short while. We have to, there was a gap, we need to bridge that gap, and we should start operations.
So one more step towards green cargo.
Yes, it is one more step towards green cargo. Port, I think you all know, I think that port is taking a lot of initiatives to contain pollution and make this port, this area as green. We have already started installed the solar panels. We are generating green energy. We are going to be, this is another milestone that we are going to handle containers. So it will add value to this area.
I just wanted to add that this is a very nice piece of equipment, having a twin lift spreader. So we can go to 25 moves per hour. In empty, it will be 50 moves per hour. So the container efficiency will be really great. So it's a very good news for the container. That's what we are hopeful for. It's a very clean, it's a clean cargo. We are hopeful of a very clean cargo, diversifying into clean, mainly containers. So that is the main highlight of this. The trade demand and the container will be aided by this. Thank you.
Container movement पहले था, it was ongoing, but then it came to a halt. फिर अभी चालू होने वाला है. When are you expecting the container movement to start, and whether there is a transport lobby that is operating and also trying to hijack the port's plan for container cargo? So वो हिसाब से how do you look at it?
नहीं, so ये लॉबी वॉबी के जैसा बोलना ठीक नहीं रहेगा. हमारे पास कंटेनर वॉल्यूम जब था तब बहुत था. We had, I think, 38,000 TEUs per annum. That was the highest capacity we achieved. But in any case, with the support of Delta and active marketing by them, we already had our business development cell arrange one meeting. One more is being arranged next week also. So what is going to happen is, within 1 year of starting the operation, we hope to achieve 24,000 TEUs volume of containers. And as far as the lobbies and everything that you mentioned, it is basically the arbitrage. Who will get benefited, they will come back to Goa. And it's not that cargo was not there. Already 38,000 volume was there. At least that much will come back. I am confident of that.